Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I've got this piece welded in here, and to replace the rusty section that I cut out a couple days ago. So now what I'm going to do is I've got a slight overlap with the outer skin, and here I will start a series of tack welds all the way along here to secure this inner piece with the outer skin. Well, it's Grandpa Gary again here, back on the boot lid, and I'm starting to work on the bottom edge here, interior side. Put some Bondo down yesterday, and now it's the first layer. I'm going to sand that all down and everything. It made a bit of a mess, but yeah, anyway, lots of time do this. So I'm going to continue to sand this down, and then I'm going to lay another layer of Bondo to finish it off nicely. And that started sanding the rest of the lid here, and there's underneath the paint there's rust in various spots. At first I thought it might be some red oxide paint they might have used as a primer way back when, but unfortunately no, it's rust. There's some red oxide here, but other areas there's quite a bit of rust. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to continue, and I don't think I'll be videoing me putting Bondo down and then sanding it and everything, and you can find that rather boring, I suppose. Anyway, that's all for now. Well, here we are back at the garage with Grandpa Gary here, looking at the lid for the boot here, primered and ready to be painted. As soon as I get some decent weather, I won't be able to paint it inside the garage, but this represents just about 3 hours of straight sanding and cleaning and prepping. So here is where the rust occurred. The piece was taken out, and I've repaired it and used some filler in here. And now I'm going to be painting it gray like the rest of the boot, and hopefully that'll suffice. The next step after that is to flip this over and prep the exterior surface, kill the rust, sand everything down, and I'm going to epoxy prime the exterior. The flip side of the boot looks similar to the hood right now, and you can see up close here is the hood. It's substantial amount of surface rust, but well within parameters as far as being able to take care of it, restore it. Lots of cleaning though. The flip side of the underside of the hood here, the bonnet, is still covered with quite a bit of residue from the wax oil that I scraped. So that's the next thing, and then after that, well, back on the back end of the Jag here, of the Mark II, this area in here is next up for repair inside, underneath what you see here. Once that's done, then I'll finish working underneath the boot, the exterior underneath, and I want to get ready to install the fuel tank. So once I get the fuel tank installed, then I can continue with my repair work on the driver's side, same as the passenger side. So It's gonna take a while. I'm not looking forward to that, but it's gonna have to get done. So anyway, try and keep you posted about the progress or lack thereof as we go along. So signing off for now.